2022 Mercedes-Benz GLB class. Starting at $39,650. Highs. Spacious first and second row seating, high-tech features, cool styling. Lows. Base models not well equipped, limited space in the optional third row, rival SUVs offer more driving satisfaction. Verdict. The GLB is the more practical small Mercedes SUV for those who can't make the more stylish GLA work with their lifestyle. Overview. Like the swoopier, coupe-like GLA class, the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLB class offers most of the panache and equipment of larger Benz SUVs in a more maneuverable and more affordable package. The GLB shares its powertrain and chassis with the GLA, including the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and optional all-wheel drive system, but offers a more upright design with additional cargo capacity and an available third row of seats. Touchscreen infotainment with Mercedes' MBUX voice assistant is standard, and buyers can deck the GLB out with even more tech and driver assistance features through various option packages, but be aware that many of them will add a lot of coin to the bottom line. What's new for 2022? Like the slightly smaller GLA class, the GLB class sees few changes for 2022. The optional premium package now includes both Sirius XM satellite radio and a 115-volt power outlet. Pricing and which one to buy. GLB 250. $39,650. GLB 250 4MATIC. $41,650. There is just one trim level available for the GLB class, but the 4MATIC model adds all-wheel drive for $2,000. From there, we'd add heated seats and the premium package, which includes blind spot monitoring, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, power folding side-view mirrors, keyless entry with push-button start, and dual 10.3-inch digital displays for the infotainment and gauge cluster. There is an AMG line body kit available, but we'd skip it since it only gives you the looks of a Mercedes AMG without the performance of one. Engine, transmission, and performance. Behind the GLB's big, grille-mounted 3-pointed star is a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 221 horsepower. The engine is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. At our test track, an all-wheel drive example managed a fairly brisk 6.0 second 0 to 60 mph time. We didn't find the GLB 250 to be particularly sporty, but for an SUV its ride and handling is agreeable and competent. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Front-wheel drive GLBs carry EPA estimated fuel economy ratings of 23 mpg city, 31 mpg highway, and 26 mpg combined. The all-wheel drive version receives the same ratings except for the highway, where it's estimated to receive 30 mpg. Those numbers are comparable but slightly lower than the EPA estimated mileage of the BMW X1. On our 75-mile highway fuel economy test route, the GLB 250 4MATIC outperformed its EPA rating with a 32 mpg result, beating a comparable X1 by 1 mpg. For more information about the GLB class's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The GLB class has a very spacious interior, with 20 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row seats and 62 cubic feet with those seats folded down, which is almost equal to that of the next size up BMW X3. The entry-level GLB class isn't very well appointed, but it does come standard with power front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Heated seats will cost you extra, as will ventilated ones, and a third row of seats is also optional. We expect most buyers will spend money outfitting their GLB 250 with popular luxury features such as leather upholstery and interior ambient lighting. Infotainment and connectivity. While lacking a robust amount of standard interior equipment, the GLB class makes up for some of that with its infotainment and technology offerings. A 7.0-inch digital gauge display and 7.0-inch touchscreen both come standard, but dual 10.3-inch screens are part of the premium package, and a color head-up display is a standalone option. There are plenty of ways to link your phone to the GLB 250, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4 USB-C ports, and Bluetooth. If you want to wirelessly charge your phone, a wireless charging pad is a $200 option. Safety and driver assistance features. The GLB class comes standard with cruise control, active brake assist, and adaptive braking, and is available with safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and active blind spot assist. For more information about the GLB class's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Available lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. Available adaptive cruise control. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Mercedes-Benz offers warranty coverage that is competitive with its rivals, but it doesn't offer the same complimentary scheduled maintenance policy as the X1 or the Jaguar E-Pace. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.